This is John Pacenti, Federal Courts reporter for the Daily Business Review. Here at the Federal Courts Complex, the U.S. Attorney's Office has had great success in prosecuting medical fraud, as well as the prescription pill mills that seem to dominate the South Florida landscape. However, some defense attorneys, as well as physician advocates, say some good doctors have been caught in the federal web.
Okay, the physicians are being prosecuted both civilly and criminally for a multitude of violations that were not being prosecuted in the past, including standard of care violations, medical necessity violations, documentation violations, coding violations, and violations of Medicare and Medicaid policy.
It was here at the Wilkie Ferguson Courthouse that Dr. Ali Shagan was prosecuted. He's become the poster child for prosecutorial misconduct.
There is this war on doctors going on. Most of the time, the doctors, just like everybody else in the criminal justice system, have to take plea agreements. And part of their plea agreements are that they cannot talk about their cases. So it's a silent genocide.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Eric Bastillo says that the office is very careful when they're prosecuting doctors. And in fact, many of these criminal organizations steal doctors' licenses and patients' names, so doctors aren't even involved. He says that his group of attorneys have worked very hard to take a bite out of this kind of fraud.
We have prosecuted doctors more often in cases involving what we refer to as infusion clinic fraud.
Right.
And these are clinics that allege to provide infusion treatments to either people who have different types of cancer or people who are afflicted with HIV and or AIDS.
The question is, has the federal government cast its net too wide? This is John Pacenti with the Daily Business Review.